Looking for stress-free towing solutions for every situation? Welcome to the registration process of Speedy Driver app registration process for the truck owner. When a tow truck owner downloads the app, they are provided two options on startup. The first option is registration, and the second option is driver login. The tow truck company owner must register before a driver will be authorized to use the app. The owner will be required to enter their cell phone number, and then enter the OTP code that's sent by text message. Then the owner is required to enter their email address, company name, company license number, and U.S. tax ID number. Owner will also be required to create a password. Password must contain numbers, letters, and one special character. Owner will then have to accept the terms and conditions by ticking the box. The screen will then transition to additional data entry for street address, including street address, city, state in the drop-down menu, and zip code. The screen will then transition to the services selection, where the owner can select the services that they offer by ticking or unticking the boxes. Finally, the page will transition to a success page, which informs the tow owner that they will be notified once their registration has been approved. After approval, the tow owner will be notified via welcome email. They will now be able to log into their tow owner portal at admintow.spdi.co. They can use the credentials that they set up to log in. Once they log in, they will be transitioned to the Stripe payment gateway, where they will be required to activate their Stripe account. This account is used to pay the money collected from tow customer to tow owner account directly. All banking details are entered directly in the Stripe payment gateway and are not stored nor accessible by Speedy technologies. Once the owner has activated their Stripe payment gateway, the app transitions to the owner admin panel. Check out our full step-by-step Stripe activation tutorial in a separate video, or contact us if you need any assistance. We're happy to help. In this panel, they have several options, including adding driver's data, setting their own custom pricing options, and viewing their daily, weekly, or monthly towing activity, as well as income. Owners can also add tow truck data, which is mandatory if they want to use the app. Once the owner is on the owner admin panel, they have to add their driver employees, including themselves, if they want to drive to the portal. First, they have to click on Registered Drivers button on the left column. Second, they have to click on the Add Driver button on the upper right side. Third, they must enter the driver's name, mobile number, and date of birth. Next, they will enter the driver's complete address as listed on their driver's license, driver's license number, and a copy of the driver's license. Once the driver's info has been uploaded to the owner's admin panel, then they will be able to log into the system and receive jobs from the app. The owner must also add a registered tow truck to their account. They accomplish this by clicking on the Registered Vehicle button on the left column. On the next page, they will click on the Add Vehicle button on the upper right side of the page. They will be prompted to enter the truck maker, model of the truck, truck type, type of license, and vehicle number. Finally, select services from the service list and click on Add button. Finally, the owner can assign or unassign a truck to a driver by clicking on the Assign Truck button on the left column and then clicking on the Assign button next to the driver's name. A new box will open up, and a drop-down list of all available tow trucks will be available. They will then click on an available truck, which will assign. They can also unassign by clicking the button again.